The City of Lakeland is located in northeast Shelby County, right on the border of Shelby County and Memphis.
Over the last 20 years, the City of Lakeland has experienced quite a bit of growth. From the 2010 census to the 2020 census, it grew by about 40% in total population.
There is a significant desire for businesses to move to the Lakeland area due to the fact that the population is growing so rapidly. And that population needs amenities and services. So this creates a great opportunity for businesses to serve that purpose.
One of the ways that we are able to incentivize the development community to build in the City of Lakeland is by establishing a TIF district. The word TIF stands for tax increment financing. This enables them to install that infrastructure in such a way that they are capitalizing off of the future tax revenues to fund it today. And the benefits for the City of Lakeland are that these development incentives, they're only being paid for by the additional taxes generated in that TIF district. So our residential property taxpayers throughout the city are not funding these particular projects.
The collaboration I've seen between our business community and our residents has created a true sense of community where everyone understands what is desired in our community, and we're also developing relationships that are long-lasting. The Ashmont development is a mixed-use development. It's located at the intersection of Davies Plantation and Canada Road. It's approximately 99 acres, and it's being developed with the use of the TIF financing to create some residential units and also bring in some needed retail, restaurants, hotels, things of that nature.
The Lakeland Gateway TIF District was established not only around the border of the Ashmont development, but also it extended south of the Ashmont site to those areas on either side of Canada Road, north of Interstate 40. It was established in such a way so that we could utilize the tax incentives that we have from a TIF district so that when people come into the City of Lakeland, their first impression is of a thriving and exciting community. We had to collaborate with the developer of Ashmont to come up with the share of the TIF project fund between the developer and what he needed for his infrastructure and the city and what we needed for the work that we wanted to do. Without collaboration, this project would not have occurred. The first TIF district that the City of Lakeland established is a TIF district called the Lake District. And so the Lake District was a large mixed-use development that was established on the southeast corner of our main thoroughfare in the city, which is Canada Road and Interstate 40.
It's approximately 162 acres, mixed-use development where they would have commercial on one portion of the property and then the residential portion would be on the southern part of the property. It will be a walkable community where you have amenities such as restaurants, hotels, a main street with boutiques and unique shopping, also have some specialty restaurants. It was estimated to be about a $362 million development, which would produce tremendous amount of sales revenue for the city.
We have worked together to bring in businesses that the residents want just for a more convenience factor, and with these developments we feel like the residents get a say in what is coming.
The Econo Lodge Hotel, it was acquired in 2023. We were looking at that location for a community center just because of its proximity to the interstate and Canada Road and kind of major corridors. And the use of the property was not something that the city was really encouraging, so the city decided to go ahead and acquire the property and demolish the hotel.
One of the things that Lakeland prides itself on is that high quality is a way of life in the City of Lakeland. And that means quality residential developments, quality businesses, quality establishments, and these motels in the area did not align with the vision for the city going forward.
The whole area is now able to be redeveloped into the Lakeland Community Center, so there's a huge benefit there. I think this project shows the city's commitment to the sense of community that we want to keep and to continue to grow.
Simply by clearing the way for new development, you get improved property values, and that increment between where things were and where things are going, that's what funds the project.
We're all working collaboratively to take creative approaches to using these TIF districts to fund the infrastructure and the amenities that our city needs and that our residents want, so that we're established for the future growth of the City of Lakeland.
I hope that in the future that the city continues smart growth, protecting our natural resources, continues to involve its residents. Those kind of things bring us all together.
So what is great about the City of Lakeland? It's the opportunity. It's the opportunity for many minds to come together and decide the type of city they would like now and for the next 20 years.